Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, I'll try to show you the zooming capabilities of the Mi11 device, which has the 108 megapixel lens. As you can see, friends, 108 megapixel lens. The zooming test which I did right now is far away objects, as you can see. So these are tests which are done from the top of the mountain hill to the city, so which is approximately 50 kilometers far away from my location. As you can see, 46 kilometers. So from the location is from this top of the hill to the main city, I'm trying to zoom in. So in this kind of zooming test, I did use multiple kind of modes. So starting with the 1x, 2x, 5x, 10x and 30x. So let me try to show you, friends, exactly. I'm using the Mi11 smartphone. So for 50 kilometers far away objects, I'm trying to zoom in using this Mi11. So let's see what's the results gonna be. So before that, let me try to show you the camera. What are the options you will be getting here? So first option, you'll be getting wide angle. So I did take the images starting from the wide angle. From wide angle, I change it to the 1x, 2x. And if you tap on that, you'll get the 5x, 10x and the 30x options as well. So using this kind of 6 different modes, I've taken the individual photos from the starting to the end. So from the far away location, 50 kilometers, I did capture all the details. So right now, let me try to show you, friends, all the images one by one, so you can decide which image is the best image as well. So later on, let me try to we'll conclude the results as well. So let me try to open the gallery and let me try to start from the exact image where I have taken. So this is a wide angle lens which I have taken using the phone Mi11. As you can see, friends, let me try to increase the brightness so you might be able to see it a little bit better. So this is a wide angle shot which I have taken. So this is a city which I am talking about, friends, which is 50 kilometers far away from my location. And this is a 1x zoom, 1x, 2x, 5x, 10x and 30x. As you can see, so standing at same position, I have taken all the images. 30x, this is a 10x of zoom, as you can see. So what I did observe is that I could have taken the 10x zoom and I can zoom a little bit more to get a little bit kind of slightly better clarity. So what's happening with the 30x is the image is kind of distorted, as you can see. Even slight movement in your hands will make the image not stable at all. So 10x kind of, I think, okay. The most reasonable would be the 5x. So 5x is a maximum would be the reasonable. So if you go more than the 5x, the image definitely starts looking distorted. And there is a 2x camera which I have taken here. This is a faraway city. And another shot which I have taken using the 108 megapixel. So you could have got a clear idea if you would have taken with 108 megapixel what the results are. So that's why I did take using the 108 megapixel camera lens as well. So all the results are clearly good, friends. So nothing much major complaints about this camera. So that's it, friends. This is a zooming capability test of the Mi11 phone, and for more videos, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. So this is the testing of the objects far away, like 50 kilometers far away from my location. So that's why I thought of making this kind of video. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, bye.